Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find old streams on Twitch. So to find your old streams on Twitch is pretty simple. First you will have your video on demand supposed to be on. So if that is on, you can go ahead and check it out right here. So go on to your profile, go on to videos, and then go to your filter here in the videos, and then you will find your past broadcast right here. So if you don't find it in past broadcast, this is the thing you will supposed to be doing. So you will go to settings, and then you will have to go to your stream settings, creator dashboard, settings, stream, and then under that there's going to be VOD settings. You will have to turn that on for storing your past broadcast, as you can see right here. So here, if you store your past broadcast, there's going to be a 60-day storage or a 14-day or a 7-day storage only. So if it's highlights, going to be saved indefinitely in all, and upload saved also indefinitely in all. So you have to enable this so that you'll be able to have to see it here in your past broadcasts when you go to your videos. So basically that's it. That's how you find your old streams on your Twitch. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.